Hello, welcome to Lasse Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to make pulled pork on the Mini WSM. It's -5 Celsius today, which is about 20 Fahrenheit or 22 or something like that, and I think it's going to work well. I'm using the barbecue to keep it in temp, and it's right now at about 180, so it's getting up to temp. And there we go. So this is what I have. I have a 4-pound pork butt that I trimmed off, and I used a rub that I made myself. It's very simple. It's just salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, regular stuff, regular proportions as well. I'm gonna put it on here. This is at about 225, so I think it's time to put it on. Okay, so I have a pan in there, and I'm going to put some almost boiling water top of that, just to catch a little bit of the drippings, and also to keep the temperature level, which is in place, or or whatever it is. Just gonna touch up a little bit on the rub here. Anyway, so I'm gonna cook this at around 300 today, and I have no idea how that's gonna turn out. I think I'm gonna put that right through there. Okay, there we go. Probe's in place. Time to let this rock and roll. I'll meet you back at whatever, 6 hours. What a great day. It's been 8 hours. It's still light outside. Time to check this. There we go. This has reached 205, so it's time to put it off. And I'll bring you inside and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so let's see what we have. Well, this is the way it should be. Pulls away really easily. I really like that little cooker. Still very hot. Extremely moist. This looks good. I'll bring it in for a taste test. There we go. Some pulled pork. I'm gonna try this. Really moist, lots of flavor, smoke flavor comes through. I had some apple wood in there. The bark is really, really nice. I need another piece. Melts like butter. Thank you for watching. Bye.